Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix your Ifit treadmill. The Ifit system is a popular feature on many modern treadmills, providing users with a range of interactive workout options and virtual training routes. However, like any complex technology, it can sometimes malfunction. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix common issues with your Ifit treadmill. First, ensure your treadmill is properly assembled and plugged into a power source. Check the Ifit console for any error messages or warning lights, as these can indicate the source of the problem. If your Ifit system is not turning on, try restarting the treadmill and checking the power cord for any damage. Next, check your internet connection, as the Ifit system requires a stable connection to function. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is working properly and that your treadmill is connected to the correct network. You can do this by going to the Ifit settings menu and selecting the network option. If you are experiencing issues with your Ifit workouts or virtual routes, try updating the Ifit software to the latest version. This can be done through the Ifit website or through the treadmill's console. Additionally, check for any firmware updates for your treadmill, as these can often resolve issues with the Ifit system. Another common issue with Ifit treadmills is the tracking of workouts and progress. If you are having trouble tracking your workouts, ensure that you are properly logged into your Ifit account and that your workout data is being synced correctly. You can do this by checking the Ifit app on your mobile device or by visiting the Ifit website. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting the Ifit system to its default settings. This can be done through the Ifit settings menu, but be aware that this will erase any custom settings or workout data. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to contact the manufacturer or a professional repair service for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix common issues with your Ifit treadmill. Remember to always refer to your user manual and the Ifit website for more detailed instructions and support. Regular maintenance and software updates can also help prevent issues with your Ifit system, ensuring you can enjoy a smooth and effective workout experience.